playing some Roblox. They're playing one. It's basically a camping game. And yeah. So just gonna wait here. But if you guys wanna play this for yourselves, then go ahead. It's called Airplane Story, whatever. And yeah, I've seen YouTubers play this, and I'm gonna play it for myself. There's also a 2 out right now, so I'm playing the first one first. But yeah, I'm not gonna spoil any of it. I don't even remember that much about Airplane Story 1, so I gotta go to my seatbelt. Feel free to explore the airplane. Okay, let's go. All I remember, I'm not gonna spoil this, actually kind of so you don't get scared, but there's jump scares, so if you get scared easily, skip like I don't actually know. I'll just edit it in the video like this, or it's not gonna be it's not a jump scare, it's just like the face comes up. Okay. Thank you for cooperation. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so scary. Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody. I watch a lot of Flamingo, so if you don't watch him, go check him out. He's pretty funny. And I'm trying to act like him. I don't know. Okay. Thanks for the sandwiches. Oh. Don't eat it because wait, what am I talking about? Okay. I'm not gonna eat it because most camping games of food, like, they're poisonous most of the time. I bet someone's gonna say like I'm allergic or something. Think ... I'm not feeling very well. Ugh. Wait, this sandwich has mayo? I'm allergic to mayo. Uh-oh. Okay. Nobody find... No. Don't find the baggage for medicine. Don't find that, okay? No. I'm not gonna look. You need to die! Die! Okay. No! Who found it? Mojo Sends. I hate... Okay. Phew. That was a close one. One day you will die. Ew. Your skin is really weird. Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you reach in stable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. Okay. So, good night, passengers. Well, I think this is where... Here, I'm not going to spoil it, but something comes up. I'm just going to say that. Something comes up. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We'll still have a few hours to go. Oh, I think the jump scare is about to come out. Yeah. This is where the jump scare is going to come out soon. Oh my god. It appears that we've lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. I'm not sitting down. Guys, look. What is that on the right wing? Holy crap, the jump scare is about to come up. Hi. Welcome back to another Minecraft review. Today, we are going to be playing Minecraft, and I'm going to be playing with LEA. You will not survive. Oh, crap. The jump scare is going to come up soon. Are those snakes? Uh-oh. She just continues to say, "Are those snakes?" Moon girl, where are you? Okay, who cares about you? But nothing. You don't have to be scared, guys. There's an open restroom. Where's the open restroom? Oh, right here. Okay, I was right next to it. Here's the open restroom. I'm just gonna take a big turd. Takes turd. Wait, eats a sandwich and then takes a turd. Guys, there's an okay. That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. What happens is that we just got Visco snakes. Oh no, the camera just got tilted. Oh wait, no, never mind. Okay. Visco. Power is back up. Yep, you got that right. And then the monster just appears. I'm playing Minecraft. And the snakes are gone. Thank God. Yup. Thank God for blessing us. The creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy. Your attention, passengers. I have good news and bad news. What is it? What is it? The good news is the power is back up. What's that? Okay. Power is back up. The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. Oxygen mask over your seats. Wait. Oh. Okay, get it. Okay, I got it. No. I think I got it. Wait. No, hold on. I don't want it. I want her to die. Die! No! This mask will keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen levels. Okie dokie. What the heck was... Bro. That scared me. Okay, I don't know why that scared me. Out of all the things that could have scared me, that scared me. Oh my gosh, what is this? It looks like a bomb. Oh no. Wait. Hold on, what are we going to do? Okay, everyone, calm down. If we find something sharp to cut the cables. Oh, over here, scissors. I found a pair of scissors. Hey, I found it. Lip Pennywise. I found it. And you're not. I will cut the red. No, crap. He's gonna explode, I bet. Uh-oh. Okay. Woo! Okay, bro. Thanks for saving us. You're my beloved one, the Fire Bros 1372.